No game that pays real money is available everywhere in the world. Payment providers, local laws, and advertiser agreements all affect where an app can operate. The best option is to choose platforms that support multiple countries instead of looking for one with no regional restrictions at all. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward gaming platforms with broad international availability, and how to check whether they're supported where you live. First is Unine Freecash. Freecash offers mobile games, desktop games, surveys, and promotional offers in many countries. The number of available games depends on your location because advertisers target different regions, but the platform itself supports users across a wide range of markets. Check the available offers after creating your account because they'll vary by country. Next is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for playing sponsored mobile games and reaching gameplay milestones. The app is available in multiple countries, although supported regions have expanded gradually over time. Before installing it, confirm that your country appears on the official supported list inside the App Store. Third is Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe pays users for playing featured games and testing recommended apps. It operates in several regions and supports digital reward options where available. Since game offers are location-based, your earning opportunities may differ from someone using the app in another country. Fourth is Scrambly. Scrambly combines gaming rewards with app testing and online offers. The platform continues expanding into additional markets, but offer availability still depends on advertiser campaigns. Completing higher value offers first can help you reach your first payout sooner if your region has fewer available games. Finally, there's JustPlay. JustPlay rewards users for playing supported mobile games and completing in-app activities. Availability depends on both your country and your device, so always verify that the app officially supports your region before signing up. If fewer games appear in your account, that's usually because advertisers haven't launched campaigns in your location yet. One thing to remember is that using a VPN to bypass regional restrictions can violate an app's terms of service. That can lead to suspended accounts or forfeited rewards, even if you've already earned them. It's always better to use platforms that officially support your country. To sum up, Freecash offers one of the broadest international platforms. Mistplay and JustPlay focus on rewarded mobile gaming, and Cash Giraffe and Scrambly provide additional earning opportunities in multiple regions. Before spending time on any game, check whether payouts are supported where you live. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos covering legitimate money-making games for 2026.